Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Dineo Sithole. I'm marketing administrator at Alexandra Water Warriors, which was started in 2021. We are based at the Alexandra hub in East Bank, Springbok Road. So this company was started with the need to take care of the environment, to keep the environment clean. So we have tourism organization, and we really like to have tourists come over into Alex. So we started the cleaning campaign because we wanted to keep Alex clean. We can't bring tourists into a dirty Alexandra, but we can bring them into a clean Alexandra, and that's the reason why we started. Alexandra Water Warriors is a recycling and cleaning company. So what we do, we clean the Joske River in Alex, we clean the parks around Alex, we clean the streets of Alexandra, and with the things we get from the cleaning campaigns, we use as recycling materials. We recycle, we sort them out. As you can see here, I have a PET bottle, and then here I have a trotter pack. So we separate them according to whatever goes where, and then we go and recycle them, and that's how we make money. If anybody wants to get in contact with us, our number is 084 056 5331. I will repeat that, 084 056 5331. And on Facebook we go as Alexandra Water Warriors, and on Instagram Alexandra Water Warriors, and on email info@alexandrawaterwarriors.co.za. Hi, I'm Dineo from Alexandra Water Warriors, and I am a township entrepreneur.